It's your cousin. He looks cooler than you, motherfucker. I don't care if he looks cooler than me. He's my cousin. Dang. Well, I guess you're out of the game. What? Yeah, we don't like you anymore. You're stupid. Hey, dude, what are you doing? Oh, this bitch. Just watch what I'm gonna do. What are you gonna do? Oh, you wanna know? I'll teach you how to mess with me. Oh, he's gonna see what happens. He's gonna see. Where's that Coke he was saving? Perfect Coke he was saving all year. To be frozen on those entities. Gonna get it. Okay, we are out here. You gotta see what I'm gonna do with this damn Coke. Okay, it's time. It's time, bitches! Are you serious? Are you... Oh my god, are you serious? God damn it, Coke. Well, we're gonna throw you higher. Holy shit! Ah! What? What? Coke! Is it like pure ice or something? Because it's not dying. What? Oh, it exploded. Holy shoot. Dang, it's working. Die, you motherfuckers. Killing you all hands. Well, this went horrible. Don't explain shit. I just wanted to break. Oh, shit. This was ass. Oh, I suck at throwing. God damn it. Ah! Shit, I can't see. Oh, shit. Bitch. Die. I don't like you anymore. So. Oh, I killed your cousin. I don't care, you can kill him. I killed your Coke. You're serious. Yeah, it's out there. It's bleeding to death. Oh my god, I'm up. Oh, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do, bitch. You're gonna see what I'm gonna do. Let me see. Oh. Here are the eggs your girlfriend was making, huh? I'm gonna get one. Get ready to die, egg. I'm going outside. This.